side. This foot can also be used for stitch-in-the-ditch sewing, such as on quilts. Most models of this foot are snap-on style, though some may already have a presser foot holder attached. In either case, the edge joining foot functions the same way. There is a vertical, blade-like protrusion at the center front area of the foot, which is used to guide fabric edges while stitching. To do stitch-in-the-ditch sewing, set the needle in center position, aligned with the vertical blade of the foot. The blade will act as a guide as you sew, placing the stitches perfectly within the seam lines. To join fabric edges, first fold under and press the fabric edges, making sure they are straight. Place the fabrics so that the folded edges are touching the vertical blade positioned between them. Set the machine for a stitch wide enough to catch both fabrics. Some stitches that work well for this are the zigzag stitch, multi-stitch zigzag, feather stitch, as well as several decorative stitches. Experiment to find the look you want for your project. When joining fabric to lace or other trim, best results are achieved if the lace or trim has a flat header. Fold under and press the fabric edge. Place the fabric and lace or trim so that the edges are touching the vertical blade position between them. Stitch in a similar manner as for fabric-to-fabric sewing.